What's up, everyone? Looking for the top 5 best beard trimmer to upgrade your grooming game? In today's video on budget buying, we're breaking down the best options for precision, power, and versatility to match your style. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Tepotz beard trimmer. The Tepotz beard trimmer is designed for effortless grooming with precision, convenience, and modern smart features packed into one compact device. Built for users who value control and cleanliness, it brings together advanced trimming technology and practical usability for everyday grooming routines. At its core, the trimmer delivers spot-on precision with a smart digital display that clearly shows battery level, cutter status, and fan performance. This real-time feedback removes guesswork and helps ensure you're always prepared before and during trimming sessions. One of its standout innovations is its powerful suction system. Operating at 15,000 revolutions per minute, this suction powerhouse captures up to 98% of trimmed hair while you groom. By actively collecting clippings mid-trim, it helps maintain a cleaner environment, reducing the need for frequent cleanup after each use. The Tepotz beard trimmer is also built as an all-in-one grooming solution. It is engineered to handle beard shaping, body grooming, and hair trimming with consistent and effortless precision. After use, it can be easily rinsed for quick maintenance, making it practical for regular grooming routines. Adding to its versatility, the twist and tweak adjustment system allows users to unlock 20 built-in length settings with a simple turn. This feature makes it easy to switch between different styles, whether you prefer light stubble, a neatly trimmed beard, or a fuller, well-defined look. Overall, the Tepotz beard trimmer combines smart digital control, high-speed suction technology, and flexible length customization to deliver a streamlined grooming experience suitable for a wide range of personal styles and preferences. Coming in at number 4, the Braun Series 5 beard trimmer. Braun Series 5 beard trimmer is a versatile all-in-one grooming solution designed for modern men who want precision, comfort, and convenience in a single device. The Braun Series 5 all-in-one beard and body grooming kit works as a cordless trimmer, hair clipper, and shaver, making it suitable for grooming the face, hair, and body with ease. At the core of its performance is an ultra-sharp blade system that delivers efficient and precise trimming. This ensures clean results whether shaping a beard, maintaining stubble, or trimming body hair. The blade technology is engineered to capture more hair in every stroke, helping users achieve a well-groomed look with fewer passes. For a smoother grooming experience, the smooth shave head is designed to provide skin comfort while reducing irritation. It allows for a closer finish, making it ideal for users who prefer a clean-shaven appearance or need gentle finishing touches after trimming. Another standout feature is the precision wheel and lock system, which offers advanced control over trimming lengths. With this mechanism, users can easily select and lock in their preferred length settings, ensuring consistent results without accidental adjustments. This makes styling more reliable and helps maintain the desired look every time. The cordless design adds to its practicality, offering freedom of movement during use. It is built for everyday grooming needs, whether at home or while traveling. The multifunctional design eliminates the need for multiple devices, combining trimming, clipping, and shaving into one compact tool. Overall, the Braun Series 5 beard trimmer is built to support effortless grooming with precision, comfort, and flexibility, making it a dependable choice for maintaining personal style across beard, hair, and body care routines. At number 3, we have the Olov X beard trimmer. The Olov X beard trimmer is designed as an all-in-one grooming solution for modern men who want precision, convenience, and flexibility in facial hair styling. Built with a focus on versatility, it allows users to maintain everything from light stubble to a fully shaped beard with consistent control and comfort. At the core of its design is a precision dial system that enables easy adjustment across 20 different length settings. This feature makes it simple to customize beard length without needing multiple attachments or complicated setup steps. Whether refining sharp edges or maintaining a uniform trim, the adjustable control ensures smooth and accurate results. The trimmer is engineered for cordless use and comes with a USB rechargeable docking system, offering reliable power for both home and travel grooming. Its cordless functionality provides freedom of movement, making it easier to trim from any angle without being restricted by cables. Another standout feature is its waterproof design, allowing both wet and dry use. This makes it suitable for use in the shower or with shaving foam, as well as for quick dry trims when needed. The waterproof build also supports easier cleaning, as the device can be rinsed under running water after use. Designed as a complete grooming tool, the Olov X beard trimmer combines performance and practicality in a compact form. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use, while the adjustable settings and durable construction make it suitable for regular grooming routines. With its blend of precision control, rechargeable convenience, and waterproof versatility, it serves as a reliable choice for maintaining a well-groomed appearance every day. Next up at number 2 is the Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer. The Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Beard Trimmer is designed for versatile, everyday grooming, allowing users to create and maintain a wide range of facial hair and head styles with ease. Built for durability and precision, it comes with 13 different attachments that support trimming, detailing, and full grooming routines, making it suitable for beards, hair, and even hard-to-reach areas. At the core of its performance are self-sharpening metal blades that maintain long-lasting sharpness, ensuring consistent trimming results over time. The blades are paired with rounded tips, which help deliver a smoother and more comfortable trimming experience by reducing skin irritation during use. This thoughtful design makes it suitable for regular grooming without discomfort. The trimmer includes multiple combs and a detail attachment that help achieve clean lines and accurate shaping. Whether refining a beard outline or adjusting hair length, the adjustable comb system provides flexibility for quick touch-ups at home. It also includes a dedicated nose and ear hair trimmer attachment, allowing safe removal of unwanted hair without nicks or cuts. Designed with user comfort in mind, the trimmer features an ergonomic grip that offers steady control during grooming. Its cordless operation enhances mobility, making it easy to use anywhere without restriction. The device is powered by a reliable battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, supporting complete grooming sessions without interruption. A built-in indicator light keeps users informed about charging status for added convenience. Maintenance is simple thanks to detachable heads that can be rinsed clean after use, helping maintain hygiene and performance. The attachments are built to resist bending, ensuring long-term durability even with frequent use. Overall, this all-in-one grooming tool combines precision, comfort, and practicality, offering a complete solution for everyday beard and hair care needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Novah Beard Trimmer. The Novah Beard Trimmer is a professional-grade grooming tool designed for men who want precision, power, and control in their daily grooming routine. Built with barber-inspired engineering, this trimmer set is ideal for both home users and professional barbers who need consistent performance for haircuts, fades, and detailed beard styling. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men come as a complete haircut kit, offering everything needed to achieve sharp, clean, and modern styles. Whether you are maintaining a short beard, shaping sharp lines, or performing full hair fades, this cordless clipper set provides the flexibility and convenience required for professional results. Designed for smooth operation, the cordless structure allows unrestricted movement, making it easier to handle detailed trimming and full haircuts without being limited by wires. This feature is especially useful for barbers and individuals who prefer mobility and comfort during grooming sessions. The powerful motor ensures steady cutting performance through different hair types and thickness levels, helping deliver clean results with minimal effort. The Novah Beard Trimmer set is also crafted with durability and ergonomic comfort in mind. Its balanced design supports long grooming sessions while reducing hand fatigue. The precision blades are engineered for sharp outlining and smooth fading, making it suitable for creating detailed beard lines, sharp edges, and professional-level hairstyles. This men's haircut kit is not just a simple grooming tool, it is a complete styling solution. From beard maintenance to full haircuts and fades, it is designed to handle multiple grooming needs with consistency and ease. The modern build and professional styling make it a reliable choice for anyone who values both performance and appearance in their grooming tools. Overall, the Novah Beard Trimmer delivers a combination of power, precision, and versatility, making it a strong choice for both personal grooming and professional barber use. Upgrade your grooming routine today. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect trimmer for your style. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top product reviews and recommendations.